Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm doing the Monochromatic Project Pan update. Last month it was glitter sparkle. This month it is peach tan. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know how all the products from last month did, and then let you guys know what I will be working on for the month of March. I have a little kitty cat right there. I apologize for the look of the blankets, but I wasn't going to move him. He looked super comfortable. But without further ado, let's get into the products. So last month it was sparkle glitter, so I pulled out a whole bunch of things. I will say this one is officially gone, donezo. Can't work on it anymore. This is from Stila. It is their Glitter and Glow eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and it was starting to dry out on me last month. I have been topping my eyeshadow with it, but it's just getting really hard to get that product out onto my eyes. These things do dry up pretty fast. Liquid eyeshadows do expire faster, so if you do have these in your collection, be sure to pull them out, see how they're still doing. If you still want to work on them, be sure to get good use out of it now before they go bad. But I did get as much use as I could. The shade was Kitten Karma, but it is time to say bye to that one. Another item I used up was the candle item. I have been putting candles in lately, and this is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Spiced Gingerbread, and I picked it for all those like glittery, kind of festive sticker that was on it. Definitely a Christmas candle. I'm not a big fan of the scent in March. I'm glad it's done. Right now I'm actually burning a pumpkin apple candle. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but I don't know, it just smells good right now. And so it's not really go with the peach tan scent, but that's just what I'm burning right now. I liked this candle. I don't think I've repurchased it this upcoming Christmas though, but I did use it up for the project. I wanted to get more use out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero glow kit, and I love this. This is so gorgeous. Definitely one of the older kind of things in my collection. Have been using Forever Young. That's kind of my favorite one out of all of them. Have been playing with a couple of the other ones here and there. Forever Young, I just love to kind of top on top of my highlighter and use as like a pop of highlight for my eyes. Really, really gorgeous color. That is what it looks like there. Super wham bam in your face. So I do really like using this, and I'll probably continue using it this upcoming month as well. Another item for the last month was Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner in Lucky Bee, and I used this one or two times. I just don't have a lot of excuses to wear a glitter eyeliner that much, especially with everything that's happening in the world and things like that, but I did use it. I do like using it for going out. It just doesn't happen quite as often as it used to. It is starting to dry out a teeny tad, so I do need to just be more mindful of this product and continue to work on it as I would like. The next thing I have definitely fallen in love with, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Lip Gloss or Lip Stain. I don't know what they exactly call this, and it's in Pillow Talk. Chose it for the glittery cap right there, and I just topped my lipstick with this, and it gives a nice kind of glittery shimmer color to it. That is what it looks like swatched. So it just gives a nice kind of glitter gloss to any lipstick without it being like chunky and you feel that glitter on your lips. So really been enjoying using that. And then the last product from last month was my Black Opium perfume. Has the glitter packaging. Love this for the fall winter time. Do have a roller ball now that I got from my husband. So definitely one of my favorite scents from YSL, or just in general. I'll continue using that. So getting into peach tan. Now one thing I knew right off the bat that I've been using on a consistent basis with the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss is my Too Faced Birthday Suit lipstick. And this is in my Partners in Cream lipstick. This is all that I have left there. So that's what I'm wearing underneath the lip gloss today. And it is my favorite. So it's kind of like a peachy tan, like pinky nude kind of shade, and I really love wearing it together. It's very creamy, and I think it's one of the older lipsticks in my collection, so I'm gonna keep working on that. Another thing here I have is from Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, and this is a cream highlight, and what I love most about it is how natural looking it is when you blend it in. And there it is swatched right there. It's kind of like a peachy kind of tan shimmer shade. So it is so gorgeous on its own, or you can always top it with an extra highlight on top. I like that the little applicator has an on-off, so you can turn it off so it doesn't kind of make a hot mess in your makeup vanity or storage, but I'll be working on this more this month. Another item I have been working on pretty hardcore is my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. This is Discontinued. The shade I have is 3.5. And my little marks are kind of messed up, but from last month I used about that much. Not too much foundation usage from last month, but hopefully if I have this in this project as well, I'll be more mindful to use foundation on an everyday basis. But this is a peachy kind of tan foundation because that's like my skin tone. And then I have from Hourglass, this is my Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 3 palette, and I want to keep working on dim light right here. So this is just a really pretty powder that I put to set that foundation with. It helps illuminate, brighten without being like a highlighter on your face. So I really enjoy that. I do find myself going for my full size over this little guy just because the pans are so much smaller. My brush is so big, it kind of just makes the mess, or I get some blush in my brush, things like that. But I do need to be more mindful, try and use up this little palette guy, and so that is another item for this project pan. And then from my Pan That palette this year, if you don't know, I am panning the Charlotte Tilbury Instant Eye palette in Pillow Talk. I really want to focus on these two shades from the desk side right there. I use these intermingly with my crease for my eyeshadow looks. Today I actually think I went a little bit darker and used one of these, but I want to make sure to try and use these more. We are getting into springtime, so March might be a really good time to just play with those more. So these two shades right there, I'll swatch them for you. They're right there, and I will just try and focus on maybe hitting pan on them, or at least on one of those during this month. But that is my Monochromatic Project Pan update. Let me know if you guys are doing this as well in the comments down below. Love to check out what products you guys are working on, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.